Hey guys, so today we are going to play some gun simulator. Now, I played this before and I never really liked it, but I'm going to play it. Well, I'm kind of good at it. Frick! Come on, man. I suck at computer. I'm better at phone. Where are those boys? Come on. Oh. I suck at this. Yes! Got him. Oh. I got him. Yes! Oh. Gotta watch out from your surroundings. Make sure no one's by. Alright. Oh, what? Well, this game sucks. I'm not playing it ever again. And I got killed again. Okay, now what's a game that I've never played? I'm gonna play a game that I never really played before. I played all of these. There's no new games on here. Gosh. Wait a second. Let's play Roblox Water Park. Better idea. Better game. Water slides. Who doesn't like that? Ed. Oh wow. Who named my name a cuss word? Who else does not like Roblox tags? Like seriously. It is the dumbest. Okay. Well, let's go here. Let's go ride some water slides. Wrong way. What the heck? Okay, well, I'm not going there. I'm going here. Come on. Faster. Is there a sprint button? Because I'm getting really tired of this. Oh my gosh, I feel sneeze coming in. Okay, I guess not. I'm too lazy to go up those. You only go once on the water slide. Which one should I take? Taking the green one. Well, it didn't fail. How do I get out of this? Gosh, no. I'm leaving the game. I thought this game would be good. But nope. There's still no good games on here. Ooh, this game. Mustard Foot. It's made by Mustard Foot. If you have TikTok, you'll know what this is. Gosh. I've done one of these before, but it was a giraffe head. Hit or miss. Orange justice. Boy, these comments are making me. Wow. Hey. Ooh. Get over here. Get over here, boy. Oh no. My battery's running low. Hold on. Wow. Oh. Battery. Crap. What is... My computer's clicking every day. What the hell? Wow. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end this. Goodbye now.